Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer media into Avid Media Composer step by step clearly. Open Avid Media Composer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the media creation settings. Select your desired resolution and frame rate. Access the media tool from the bin window. Choose the type of media you want to transfer. Click on the import or link option in the file menu. If importing, browse to the location of your media files. Select the files you wish to transfer. Ensure the file format is compatible with Avid Media Composer. Click Open to begin the import process. For linking media, choose the folder containing your media files. Confirm the selection to link the media to your project. Monitor the progress in the status window. Once the transfer is complete, check your bin for the newly imported or linked media. Organize your media by creating folders or sub-bins if necessary. Assemble your media into the timeline as needed. Save your project frequently to avoid losing any progress. Review your media to ensure everything is in place and correctly imported. You're now ready to start editing in Avid Media Composer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.